Good morning, guys. Welcome to my third weekly vlog. Crazy. I think that makes me a professional now. But yeah, it's Sunday morning. I'm pretty tired because I worked last night. I went to bed at 2 a.m. because of work, and Lachlan set the alarm to go to the market at 5:30. I'm just making a nice caramel latte. Lachlan should be getting home from the market soon though. And he usually brings me home a cookie, which is so exciting. Such a beautiful day. It's still windy. Spotted. Archie. Coming in hot. Good morning. Thanks.
Let's go.
We're getting GYG. On the way to Lockie's soccer game. It's 1:45. Game starts at 1. It's right near us though. And Archie's coming for the ride to get out and about. And I'm getting nacho fries. Archie, stop it. Go sport. Okay, just go back from the grocery store. Just go back from the back from the grocery store. I got stuff to make my normal salad, stuff for dinner, salmon, green beans and potato, stuff to make turkey, brie and cranberry sauce rolls, breakfast and fruit and kombucha and more caramel syrup and mochi. Yeah, and I also got this because I lost my other one, so that's cool. And soup for dinner for tonight. So yeah, that's a little overview. Good morning. In the same pajamas. I will be wearing these all week. So it's Monday now, everyone. And I've just been chilling out because I'm not working today or tomorrow, which is nice. Uploaded last week's vlog, just like put some laundry on, made breakfast, had breakfast, and now was replying to some emails, and I'm just sitting. Mum's coming over later. I'm not sure what time I actually have to call her, but we're going to the movies to see Longlegs, that horror movie, the new horror movie that's supposed to be like really good. So we're going at 10:40, just right near me, so she's coming here. So excited for that. We're both very excited for that. Yeah, today's a pretty chill day. This whole week's pretty chill, really. Also have just ordered swimmers of Kulani Kinis on Saturday, so hopefully they come this week. I'll show you that when they get here, but I got 2 full pieces and I got Lockie matching board shorts for our trip. Archie, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Yeah. Just got back from walking Archie and I'm gonna make a little matcha. Ching. Mum's about to pull up. This is my outfit. Good morning. Not you. Actually, I'm talking to him whenever I talk to the camera. But good morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning now. I realized I haven't talked to you since like I was going to hang out with Mum yesterday. So yesterday, we went to the movies and watched Long Legs, that new horror thriller. It's more of a psychological thriller, and it was really good until the ending. So sorry if that's a spoiler, but it was very well made. But yeah, we came out a bit like, oh, but it was fun. We had fun, and then we got Guzman. So I had Guzman for lunch 2 days in a row. Do not judge me. I'm just a girl. I know you do it too. And then yesterday, I got home from that and I just hung out. I read my book and scrolled and classic stuff. Lockie got home and we made dinner. I think I got a clip of that. I just had like salmon and veggies, and he made like chicken risotto in the rice cooker. And then I went to Yochi with my friend Steph, and that was yum. I only ever had it once before and it was yuck and yummy. So now it's Tuesday. I'm just making some toast, and I'm making a sandwich to take with me because I'm going to the gym after I eat breakfast. But Archie and I are going to go to the beach. Archie and I are going to the beach today. I just want to read. So yeah, I'm going to take him today. Just go up to Point Cartwright and go to the dog leash area and hopefully get some sun. It's pretty cold though. Hopefully it's not windy and I can get some sun. So I'm just making this sandwich to take to the beach, and then, God, I think I got too much spinach. And then breakfast, gym, beach. That's the plan for today. Oh. So that lighting's shocking. I'm going to the beach. I'm already back from the gym. I'm just making myself a decaf caramel iced latte to take with me for my drive. Dog is ready in the car because he freaked out as soon as I started packing the car. So I just locked him in there, windows down. Hopefully he hasn't jumped up the window. Surely not. Yeah, I've got my book and I've got my earphones. I've also got my packed lunch. So hopefully we can just go sit on the beach and stay there for hours. Would be ideal. I also like putting my caramel in after the milk for whatever reason. Cool. Ready? All settled. 9:30. Let's go. It's about an hour and 10 drive. Hey, Archman. Okay, go. Go! Yeah, let's go. Awesome. Oh, it's sunny. It's kind of windy down here, which I kind of know it would be, so we're just going to walk around the point to see if we can find a better spot. Yep. How pretty. It's so funny. What are you doing? This is the setup. Archie's gonna get my stuff sandy in about 3 seconds. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Literally, as soon as I stop filming, he's shook. He's gonna say hello to that guy. Stop. Oh, stop. 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 Oh, no. Awesome, that's my dog. Awesome. 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 Slowly just ran away. Such a tease. Get off my towel. Get off my towel. Just in my element. Hey, Archie. Got my sandwich? Awesome. Look at this freaking dog. You're gonna break this thing. You buried it. Shocker. Oh my gosh, Mum, you freaking undid all my hard work. Don't. No, look at your nose, you idiot. Yeah, no, of course. Sit down. That was chaotic. Fun though. And my head hurts because I gave him my whole bottle of water because I left his in the car. But I had kombucha, so bleh, dead. We're just back at the top point car right now. I'm gonna swing by La Balsa because it's low tide, so I want to see what the water looks like, and I need to swim. I need to get the sand off me. So that's what we're gonna do. I might just literally leave Archie in the car while I swim. Home time. Swimming, like going for a quick swim like that, makes me so excited to live near the beach. And I really hope we can find a rental. I really hope we can find a rental like 10 minutes away from the beach. Even closer, hopefully. Would be awesome. Oh. Hey guys. It's Wednesday morning. I'm going to work. It's 7:08. And I obviously left leaving for work at the last minute. So I literally cleaned my running shoes, put them in the wash, took washing off the line, unpacked and stacked the dishwasher, made my lunch, my salad to take with, and then made Vegemite toast, got dressed, put on freaking some sort of eyebrow, fed Archie, and walked out the door within like 15 minutes because I'm awesome. And now I'm driving to work, so I better get off my phone because I was at a train and now I'm not at a train. Yep. Just got home from work. I stopped at the post office and picked this up, my parcel from Kulani Kini, so I'm gonna open that now. I'm just gonna try and get some of my to-do list done. So I want to like apply for some jobs, clean my car really good because it's got sand in it now from the beach. I'm gonna set up me opening this. These, I didn't realize they were so short. Oh cute, is it reversible? No, surely not. Oh, it's not reversible, but it's adorable on the inside. That's cute. Oh, I hope it fits. Life is really hard for me because, you see me? Yeah, life is really hard for me because my boobs are big, so I have to size up for my boobs, but then it's like too big around everywhere else. But that looks maybe fine. And then this is obviously mine to match with that one. I'll have to try it on. It's cute though. It's so soft. Adorable. Sorry. Thoughts? It's giving SpongeBob. I look tan. Awesome one. Just playing with Archie. And sometimes I obviously I'm just a girl. So I look for 4-leaf clovers and you'll never believe it. Look at that. Stop, Archie. You're gonna eat it. Look, it's full. Stop it. Oh my goodness, I've literally never seen one ever. There's literally a second one right there, so stop. So now it feels less special. But still, if you eat it, Archie, stop it, you're gonna break it. Oh! Come down to do my puzzle. I reckon Loki's gonna come down in his bodies. This is what I've had for dinner the last 3 nights. Salmon, green beans, and then Japanese sweet potato and sweet potato. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. Lachlan's just left again. Common theme, and I'm choosing something to watch.
Which pet's address is the finest in all cats? Which pets are blessed
Awesome.
with the
Archie's got a stick. Oh. Oh. Hey guys. Oh. I'm not sure if I've spoken at all today. But it is Thursday. It's midday already. I had a pretty busy morning. Woke up and went to yoga with Erica again because it's Thursday. They've made it into hot yoga, so that was the first time I've ever done that. Sweated. But that was really fun. And then we got a coffee and just yapped for a bit. Classic. And then I came home, did some laundry, had some breakfast, had toast and a little yogurt thing. And then me and this dude, went for a W. Came home and I just spent like the last hour applying for jobs, which I've been meaning to do for a while. So that was really good. I'm very happy that I did that. And then I showered and washed my hair. So now I have like 2 hours to chill before going to work, 2:30 till 9 tonight, this afternoon. So I'm just gonna make lunch, which is my tuna salad, and then prep another little turkey roll for dinner for my break. And then I'm just gonna hang out. That's my morning so far. Been like writing a massive list of everything I need to get for Thailand. So on Sunday, Lockie and I are just having a full planning day because I've been doing a lot because Lockie's been so busy. But we need to sit down together and go over everything and make sure we're all ready. Because it's 3 weeks, but the week before, Lockie's got a course, so he's up at the coast for like 5 days doing his course. So we have to be ready like a week before. We really have to. Anyway, rambling. It's lunchtime. I'm hungry. Hey guys. Oh my goodness, why did I look so bad? I do feel bad, but I didn't think I looked bad. It's Friday afternoon, which means I'm ending this week's vlog. I don't think I filmed much yesterday, or I haven't filmed anything today. So sorry if this is really boring. I haven't edited at all, but I guess it's just being real. I feel crappy. My head really hurts. I don't know why. I'm so sorry. I'm working in tomorrow morning, 6 till 3. So I'll probably start next week's vlog on the Sunday again. I'll show you my Kindle. I actually used it for the first time yesterday only. Because I got home from work and locked onto sleep, so I didn't put the light on. So it's awesome. And I've just gotten the case for it too. So I have to make it, I'm gonna make a TikTok, like, decorating it. So I haven't opened that yet. Maybe I'll do that now. I'm actually gonna open this. Oh. No, it's not. Why is it? No, that's not fair. No, you're taking the piss. Why is it not clear? Why is it? Because I'm not in a great mood. No, I'm not, no. That's not fair. I can't put stickers through that. What's the point? No, why am I literally gonna cry? I'm not in the right headspace for this. I've just been waiting for this for ages. This is future Mia, but I would just like to add that I have returned that clear case and bought another one. If you're still watching, thanks. Thanks for that. Maybe next week I'll just focus on reading and going to the gym. Maybe next week I'll just get my shit together. Stay tuned for that. Stop, I actually make myself laugh. This is all for me. My pleasure. Anyway, I've got to go hang up laundry. I'll see you in next week's video. If you're actually watching, thank you. That's awesome of you. Doing God's work. Okay, bye.